Hi, my name's Phil Withington. I'm a professor of history at the University of Sheffield.
Hi, I'm Jess. I am an artist who lives in Sheffield, and I have been working with Professor Phil Withington to create this piece that is based on the psychoactive revolution.
And what the research is about essentially is how the European diet of psychoactive substances transformed between the 1500 and 1800. And what we see is a proliferation and diversification in the kinds of distilled and fermented alcohols available for Europeans to drink. The introduction of new substances like tobacco, tea and coffee into diet, and the popularization of previously luxury items such as sugar and opium.
So these pieces, the idea when you walk through is that they'll be sort of a little bit like beer goggles. The feeling is that you should be slightly put off, you can't quite focus on one thing, but then you can also see all the details, so you can see micro and macro, and hopefully that will give the viewer a really unique experience. I looked a lot at drawings, botanical drawings from the 16th, 17th century, and was really interested in how we could make a contemporary response to them. So I was interested not only in having something that felt modern and felt of its time in the gallery, but also something that responded to the idea of intoxicants.